Mayeni have to ask herself why her husband Musamseleku doesn't update her for everything he is doing in his life. Mayeni was complaining why Musamseleku didn't tell her about Mpumelelo is getting married to Amahle. Musamseleku hide a secret. Musamseleku knows Mayeni that there is nothing he can plan with Mayeni is going to be successful. Musamseleku can plan with Macele and Makumalo, not Mayeni. Mayeni have to fix that issue. Even people on social media, they can defend Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku was doing that kind of issue. People, they know Mayeni since Utando Nestembo season 1 until season 9. Mayeni want to fight every time Musamseleku is trying to fix things. Mayeni want to go opposite. You have to try Mayeni to fix that issue. To support Musamseleku. Musamseleku said to her, you never support me. Mayeni doesn't want anything to do with Mpumelelo and his girlfriend. Guys, we heard Mayeni says, I don't want anything to do with Mpumelelo and his girlfriend because those girls they will end up being complaining to Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they don't want to involve her. And now she is complaining. If Mpumelelo bring Amahle to introduce Amahle, Mayeni doesn't want Amahle again. You understand? And now she is complaining why Musamseleku didn't tell me that my son is getting married. I think Mayeni have to fix on that issue to support, even once, to support Musamseleku. Mayeni never support her husband. And Musamseleku wishes Mayeni was the only person who can give support to him.